Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Google Maps. Open the app or visit Maps. Google. And sign into the Google account that contains your saved places. Once done, tap Saved, then Labeled or Your Places to surface existing home and work entries. You're doing this first because changing home applies to the account-level saved label, not just the device. Make sure location services are on so the app can suggest nearby addresses. Next, we'll either edit the now select home under Labeled and tap Edit. If home isn't listed, choose Add a Label and name it Home. Type the address or long press the map to drop a pin, then select the best suggestion from the list so Google uses the formatted address. Once you've placed the pin, tap Save and watch the map preview to confirm the location looks right. You're doing this because the precise pin controls routing and commute estimates. Next, we'll verify across devices. Finish by verifying the new home shows on another device or browser where you're signed in. If it doesn't appear, force a sync by signing out and back in, or clear the Maps app cache and restart. Make sure device location is enabled. If directions still route oddly, re-edit the pin, remove duplicate labeled addresses, or drop a fresh pin at the exact driveway or entrance. One key troubleshooting tip. Duplicates cause confusion. Delete extras, and then resave the single correct home to resolve sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.